Hello, my name is Toby Paik, and today is a very special day because I got a new haircut. Quite short this time, but we shall see how this goes. And also I bought a new gaming mouse from Razer. Honestly, I got this mouse a while ago during Cyber Monday, which was approximately 2 months ago, I think. And I just didn't have the time to even unbox this or use this because I've been very busy trying to pay for my rent and my student loans. Basically trying to live in society. Probably would have been easier if I didn't spend so much money on gaming equipment and spending all my time on playing games.
You're the last one standing. They're making us fight for it.
But where's the fun in being a responsible adult, right? So anyway, as you may already know, I only aim for the best when it comes to my gaming equipment. I aim to have the best setup in my gaming station, which is my room. So without further ado, let's open this up and see what it's all about, shall we? Okay, so I bought this from Best Buy for about $25.99, so $26. I thought it was a bargain, but let me know if I got ripped off, because that's what I'm pretty good at, getting ripped off. So Razer Deathadder Elite. Honestly, I owned this mouse many years ago, but while I was moving, it got lost in transit or something, so oops, I hate when this happens. I was trying to open it neatly, but I already messed up, seems like I always do. Oh, this does not look good. My unboxing skill has diminished greatly. Oh well, I guess I'm gonna have to live with this. I'm gonna have to cry myself to sleep tonight. Okay. For gamers, by gamers. It's like a manual and some sort of... It says unleash your true potential. That's what my college told me when I was applying, but here I am doing an unboxing video. Good. Thank goodness they included some stickers, because I love stickers in my products. I have to put this on my suitcase so that, I can show off to random strangers and get their respect, you know what I mean? Manual here, which I probably will read every single word. Yep. There we go, it's wire. I don't even know how to do this. There we go. Okay. Something for your little green screen, maybe, in the future. Okay. Very straightforward, very simple. Yep, definitely feels better than my previous mouse. If you guys don't know, the mouse that I currently use is a Diablo 3 mouse from, I believe, SteelSeries. It's been working for 8+ years, I believe, or 7 years maybe, I'm not sure, but it's just getting a little old. The plastic's actually coming off, which is a little gross. But yeah, this is going to be a new good addition. Really like the rubber grip here, which the Diablo mouse, the Steel series, does not have, so that's definitely good. The rubber grip definitely sticks. It grips in my thumbs nicely, so it'll be perfect when I play Call of Duty and I can finally kick some buttocks. Yep, everything feels great so far. If my KD ratio improves dramatically, just know that it's all thanks to this Razer Deathadder Elite mouse. Okay? Speaking of gaming, make sure to follow me on Twitch. It's Twitch, and my name is Toby Game, T-O-B-E-E Game. Gonna take this off like an ASMR style. Was that ASMR worthy? I'm not even sure, probably not. Oh well. Very straightforward. Rubber grip on each side. The scroll feels pretty neat. Buttons feel... Honestly, these buttons, like, you have to push in further than I expected compared to the Steel series mouse I have. But we'll get used to that. That'll be good. That'll be all fine. Also, the little flaps here are actually very comfortable. It's useful. I'm not really sure if you can see here, but there's like a little flap that comes out of it so that it's sort of like keeps your hands sort of secure. It doesn't like fly around everywhere, and especially after you've had like a packet of Doritos. Not that I eat anything. I have a very strict no eating policy in my gaming workstation because of all the crumbs. No animal, no pets, no infants, no drinks except for H2O. Although I do sip on some Blue Moon in my spare time, but anyway, that's kind of beside the point. There we go. Little cover here. This is rubber. This will probably stay. I'm not going to throw this out just yet in case I need to sort of secure this, because this looks very, very long. Yes, it is incredibly long. It's definitely longer than my Steel series mouse. I'm not even sure how long this is. That's what she said, but that's beside the point. But yeah, it is very long. It's longer than my arm's length, and I just dropped something. I hope it's not broken. But yeah, there we go. Very much looking forward to using this when I play some Call of Duty, maybe some Diablo 2 that I'm playing again, just for nostalgic purposes. But yeah, does anyone else own this mouse, or do you recommend any games to play on this mouse? Just let me know. Well, thanks for watching, I guess. That's about it for today. Until next time. Peace.